Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Third day of rally, almost 300 points every day. It's almost not 900, about 800 points rally. The highest point, it was close to 900 point rally today. On the way down, there were 3 days market fell drastically. The 2 days of loss has been wiped out in the last 3 trading sessions. So we have to recover only 1 day of loss. Main reason today, number 1 is the global cues, and number 2, there was a recovery in IT stocks. I don't know, the people were saying that TCS has some kind of agreement for developing artificial intelligence. So I did not read that news directly, but somebody told me. But if that is the case, TCS should go higher. But other IT stocks, in fact, Infosys was higher than TCS. Mid-cap IT stocks, there was a good short covering. So anyway, these IT stocks have been, extremely oversold. So, if domestic institutions have to support, so they would have supported. And then, the Bank Nifty was very, very volatile. But end of the day, the Bank Nifty also recovered. And but markets were too volatile. 100 point up and down, it was moving very, very easily. US futures were firmly higher. The European markets were also firmly higher. But however, the story is slightly different right now because some producer price index data, which is also a sort of a inflation data from US. So that data came, and because of that, the US futures are down, but they are down very slightly. Whatever it gained in the first, like today morning, so that has been wiped out. Now they are trading slightly negative. But however, markets will be focusing more on Fed policy. Today, Fed policy is there. This is the last policy by Jerome Powell as the chairman of Fed. So next meeting will be headed by the new Fed chairman. And it is more or less sure that it's going to be a status quo. So Fed is not likely to cut rates. And even otherwise, they are not planning to cut the rate. But now this war is going on. So war is likely to increase the inflation in a country. The prices are likely to go higher. And then moreover, that today's data is also not supporting. So all this point to the fact that, so 99%, so there is no possibility of a rate cut. So it may be just a status quo. So anyway, but markets are markets, so they'll be jittery until 11:30 p.m. today. And then 12 midnight, so they're what they call it as the question answers. Fed chairman will be speaking. So anyway, US markets are very, very resilient, but now crude prices are rising. So that's a cause of concern. But looking at the open interest, looks like the 3 days of rally, people have become complacent. Left, right, and center, they started selling put option. That is very, very dangerous. And of course, there are only a few more days for expiry. So that is something good. But otherwise, the day you get conviction that the markets will not fall, so that is when the markets will start falling. Now there is no need to look at futures, GIF Nifty, because after the Fed meeting only, the US market will have a direction. So accordingly, our markets will be reacting. And just now I checked the FII data. So they have sold for 2,700 crore. Day before yesterday and the day before, they were selling close to 10,000 crore. Yesterday it was 5,000 crore and today it is 2,700 crore. So that is something very, very positive. So FII is at least, cutting down their selling. So that's something good. So we need to see mainly the US markets tonight and the Fed meeting tonight, and then only accordingly only the markets will be reacting. But third day of Nifty rise, if you can remember what I told you today morning, if 3 days market rally, the third day high is very, very important. I think today's high is Nifty future. I think Nifty future and Nifty spot is almost one and the same. There's no much big difference. I think today 23,875. That is a Nifty future high. The spot may be 10-20 point lower. So we have to keep watching for that level. If that level is taken out, then this market, we can be more or less sure that the worst is over and the 23,000 will be the very, very strong support. But for that, the third day of high should be taken out. So tomorrow, it's going to be very, very interesting day. So 3 days of rally, 3 days of volatility index is also falling, but on the ground level, then nothing has changed. So you remember that. So this war is still continuing. So any escalation here and there, but the probability of escalation is very, very low. Looks like US and Israel almost destroyed the entire network of Air Force, Navy of Iran. But the missiles and drones is going to continue for some more time. There is a war going on between Russia and Ukraine also, but nobody bothers. Why? Because that's not affecting us. But this war, is affecting us because of the crude oil supply through the Straits of Hormuz. So until the Straits of Hormuz is cleared of Iran domination, until the shipping lines go normally, so better to be very, very careful on the long side. So that is my view. Otherwise, I'm still holding my view that it's going to be 23,000 to 24,000 for some more time. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.